You have probably seen this fruit many times in this channel. This is both a bitter and a sweet moment for me documenting this tree and this fruit. Because in a few months, we need to remove this tree here as we renovate the garden cottage at the back, and this entire tree would probably either chop off and totally remove, or if there is a way, we can uproot it and plant it somewhere. I will miss the mornings here, checking if there are dried leaves or insects, or just making sure that all the leaves are healthy and there are no issues on the tree. I primarily plant this for ornamental purposes. As you can see, this bright red colored fruit, the candy colored fruit. This is, by the way, not so big, just probably 2 wrist size together on the main trunk and 3 major division, and the ones that are carrying the fruits are just slightly less than the pencil size stem. Not so long ago, somebody is asking if this is in a pot. The one in my video was on a pot because that was when I was living in a condo, and this one is directly planted in the soil. That's why it has a lot of flowers and it became a huge tree, as you can see. So of course, when the roots are free on the ground, the healthier the plant is, and this is kind of growing wild. Even if I prune it 2 times a year and really good pruning, probably it would be times 2 of this size if this hasn't been pruned. It is such a delight in the eyes looking at this every day, because there are major fruiting season, but they generally just produce fruit all year. This is not a deciduous plant where it removes all its leaves and puts itself into hibernation. Even if you're in the tropics, the Spanish plum, I think it's called in English, or iguanas, does that also. But this one just retains its dark green leaves and produce fruits. The fruits are not so clear or not so noticeable if they are green, because they kind of mimic the leaves, but once they turn into like yellow, green, yellow, and then orange, and they are such a nice thing to see. Even if it is an edible fruit, and I also eat this sometimes, it's very rich in vitamin C. I have discussed that in my other video, but just to see it and look at it, it's really more than enough. The fruit in itself being edible and nutritious, it's already just a bonus. So this is just a heads up for you if you plan to put this and plant this in the ground. This can really grow big, even pruned. So check out the wires or anything that might be a problem in your area. But for me, I just like to touch them around, check on them, eat them, and of course share with the birds as always here in the garden. And by the way, shout out to Jerry, Mike from Canada, Mike from California, Mike Sullivan, and Jeff Beckett. I don't know where you're from, Jeff. Are you from New Jersey? And John D, Top Hunt, and Sam B. And this is the bird's nest. This is the 3rd generation of bird that I believe, because it's the 3rd nest I've seen here since it was planted here, that build its nest here. So it's not just me who likes this, also the birds. This is surely one of the most enjoyable fruit trees that I have planted ever. And if you have one that you really like growing or really thrive in your area, you can share that here on the comments below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you next time for some other plant video or some other travel video.